Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Youper AI. To sign up for Youper AI, first of all, go ahead and download the Youper AI application on your smartphone and launch the app open. In the first interface of Youper AI, go ahead and tap on Start to sign up for a new one. Now, select your top 3 goals and then tap on Continue. Follow through the on-screen instructions and then answer some of the questions along the way. Now, after answering some of the questions, you will be taken to this page from where you can start creating your account. You can create an account with Apple ID, Google account, or with email. I'm going to choose Sign Up with email. Now enter your email address and password you'd like to set for your account in the respective text boxes. After you are done, click on Sign Up. Now, in order to access full premium features for Youper, you can go ahead and start 7-day free trial. Tap on the Start button on the screen and follow through the instruction, add your payment methods, and follow through the payment process, and you will be able to subscribe to the premium features as well. If you want to start for free, you can simply tap on the cross icon at the top right and follow through the instructions. And after answering some of the brief emotional health check-in questions, you have successfully signed up for Youper AI. Now you can begin exploring its tools from guided conversations to emotional insights. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.